Hi. So if you're wondering what's changing with pension credit in 2025, this video will give you everything that you need to know. What we're going to do is we're going to explain exactly how it works, who qualifies for pension credit, and how much you can get. So there are updates on income thresholds, housing help, and help for carers. So if you're on state pension or of state pension age or caring for someone who is, this is vital information. That's because too many people are missing out on money that they're entitled to. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it all down really simply and clearly so you know what action you need to take. There are over 1.4 million people currently getting pension credit in the UK, but hundreds of thousands more could qualify if only they knew what to do. So pension credit isn't just one payment, it includes top-ups and extra help across a whole range of different things. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go through the rules for 2025 and how they reflect new and existing claims. We'll also explain how it links to other benefits like housing and council tax support. So please stay tuned. This could help boost your monthly income by potentially hundreds of pounds. So my name's Zach and I'm the founder of financialeducation.co.uk and I've got over 25 years of experience of providing support on a range of pension related issues. So let's get into the details for pension credit in 2025 and what you should be doing now. So if you do like these kind of videos and topics that we talk about, such as pensions, benefits and money issues, please do like and subscribe to the channel because we cover a whole range of topical issues such as this. So what is pension credit? Well, pension credit is a benefit for people over state pension age who have a low income. It gives your weekly income a top up and it takes it up to a minimum level. In 2025, the guaranteed credit part brings your weekly income to at least £218.15 if you're single. For couples, it brings your combined income up to at least £332.95 per week. So this is tax-free and doesn't need to be paid back. It is different from your state pension, however, and you do need to think of them separately. This is seen as an extra payment on top of your state pension. There's also something called a savings credit. So for this, this is aimed at those people who have some retirement savings. Now, not everyone gets that part, but it can add up to an extra £17 and a penny a week if you qualify. What this does, it helps reward people who have put some money aside. So whether you rent, own your own home, or live with family, you may still be eligible. You don't need to be on any other benefits to claim it. So even if you've been turned down before, the rules change and it's worth checking again. When it comes to claiming pension credit, you need to be over state pension age, so that's currently 66 in the UK. You've got to live in England, Scotland or Wales. Your income must be below the new threshold to get the guaranteed credit, and that threshold includes income from pension, savings, and any other benefits that you might be entitled to. But when it comes to benefits, some things like attendance allowance, personal independence payments, otherwise known as PIP, they don't count against the claim. You can still also qualify if you own your own home. You might also be entitled to extra amounts if you're a carer, you have a severe disability, or you have housing costs to meet. Couples must both be over state pension age or have one partner that is already claiming. So if you're not sure about income levels, there's a calculator on the Government UK website. You can go on there, put in your details, and it'll tell you what the entitlements might be. So even if you only get a small top up, it does open the door to other help. For example, if you can unlock free NHS dental care, housing help, or even the warm home discount. So all of this adds up over time. So remember, it's not just about income, it's about what else it gives you. So what about the extra support that you might be able to get? Well, pension credit can lead to extra help with a whole host of everyday bills. For example, if you rent, you could get housing benefit. You could also get a reduction or even a full discount on your council tax. People on pension credit also qualify what's called a warm home discount. So that could be worth around £150 of your winter energy bill. You'll also get a free TV license if you're over 75. In 2025, there's a continued support for carers as well through extra payments. So if you are a carer for 35 hours a week or more, you could get an extra £45.60 on a weekly basis. There's also extra money if you or your partner are disabled. And you might also get help with NHS costs like prescriptions, glasses, or you travel to appointments. So many people just don't realise how much extra pension credit can unlock. It really is more than just a top up, it's access to a whole range of discounts and additional help. So if you think you're eligible, how do you apply? Well, you can do it online, you can do it by phone, or you can do it by post. The easiest way, to be honest with you, is by just going online, by calling the pension credit helpline. So make sure you got your national insurance number handy, your income details, and details of all the savings that you have. You'll also need details about your partner if you live together. It's free to apply. It'll probably take you between 15 and 30 minutes to do, and you can apply up to 4 months before you reach state pension age. You can also backdate a claim for up to 3 months, so don't delay. 3 months isn't very long. And if you're not sure, call the helpline. They can talk you through it. Citizens Advice and Age UK can also help you fill in the forms. Make sure you include all your income, but remember, as I said before, not all of it counts. If your income changes, you must tell them, or you might be overpaid and you'll need to pay it back. Once you're on pension credit, you'll usually get it paid into your bank account as well every 4 weeks. Even if you've been denied before, it's always worth checking again. Many people assume that they don't qualify, but that's often wrong. Even a small amount of pension credit opens the door to bigger support, as I've just talked about. Income limits change each year, so if you were turned down before, it's always worth trying again. You can use the online calculator to check, and again, it'll only take a few minutes to do. And if you're over state pension age and on a modest income, I'd really recommend that you do check now. As I said before, it can boost your income and reduce your bills. You've worked hard for this. This is money that you're entitled to, so claim it. And I would recommend that you do make it a priority through 2025 to check if you're eligible. And if you do find it difficult, ask friends or family. They can help you. If you've got to go online, they can help you do that, take you through the forms, and take you through the information that's needed. Or you can get advice from Age UK or Citizens Advice, or even go to your local council authority. So make sure that you're not one of the thousands that miss out each year, because this is money that you're entitled to. And again, I'll just reiterate, there's absolutely no harm in checking, but it could make a real difference. So lastly, I just wanted to finish off with information with where you can go to for help. So if you're not sure what to do, these organisations are there to help you. I've mentioned these before. Well, Citizens Advice, free help over the phone or in person. Age UK helps older people with their benefits claim. You can do that over the phone. You can call the pension credit claim line directly as well. They can talk you through the information, what you need to make the claim, and guide you through it. Or you can visit the government.uk website for the online calculator and the application forms. Lastly, your local authority or local housing associations, they can also help you. They often have people on hand to help you take you through it. Remember, you don't need to figure all this out for yourself. There is help. It can seem complicated, can seem quite daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Just prepare, make a checklist before applying, have your ID ready, have a list of your income, have details of your savings. Lastly, start early. If you're nearing state pension age, you might as well start now. You only need to do it once, and it can help you for years. So honestly, don't miss out. As I said before, even a small top-up can make a huge difference and unlock a whole range of new benefits for you.